they're signaling their superiority. I don't want to do that at all. What I do want to share is someone who loved Swiss Chalet growing up in Toronto. I loved Swiss Chalet. It was growing up one of my favorite chicken places, right? Um, and they would give you quarter legs or double legs, and you can get gravy sauce. They had a really nice gravy sauce. Well, today I walked to the supermarket, and to my surprise, they had a whole chicken on sale because it's the Christmas holiday or something. I, you know, Come on, guys, have this on sale more often. I'm looking for this stuff all the time. Boned meats, all right. When you kind of, like boned meats, are so good in an instant pot. Um, yeah, red doesn't lie. I bought an instant pot like 6, 7 years ago. Best cooking. Okay, so in my book, there's only like two things you really need for the kitchen. Okay, a cast iron frying pan, absolute must. You don't need Teflon stuff after, and then an instant pot for steam cooking. Just because you can throw in this slab of chicken, this whole slab. You just put it on a trivet. It comes with a pot. You stick it in. Generally speaking, just stick it in. Hit pressure cook. Close the lid and just wait. You hit the button start and you just come back like 3 hours later, okay? And that's it. It's ready to go. So, but the whole chicken, thanks to GPT, now you have an instant pot and you have Chat GPT and you ask them some questions, you can get some really good chicken and it won't even like cost you any brain cells, which is the best part. So, meaning that you don't have to think so hard. It just said before you cook it, maybe an hour or two, marinate it. I mean, I used to be really anal about it. Oh, you gotta marinate it all night. What a drag. When you want to eat something, you don't want to wait a whole night for that, right? So it just said, 2 hours is good. You can spare 1 hour. So you don't want to wait. It's also good. It's all good. It's just, the longer you wait, the more like evenly the sauce will go through the chicken, blah, blah, blah. So it just said soy sauce, a little bit of vinegar, and honey. So I just add, mix it in, shake it in the container, and you got this raw chicken, and then you just stick it in the instant pot. 40 minutes, high pressure. It takes about 2 hours though, because of the warm up time, and I like to just let it, depressurize naturally. You get not this. You get like I should have taken a photo. You get like a very nicely cooked chicken. It smells good, but it looks very steamed. Now to get the brown thing, yeah, you need like what is it called? Radiant heat, right? You need a fire. And so my kitchen is not in the camera here, but like underneath in Japanese kitchens they have the stove countertop, and also there's right here, there's a broiler, right? A gas broiler. It's really nice. I'm surprised a chicken of this size fit very comfortably in there, although it's not ideal because the flame is very close to the top, so that's why it burned pretty quickly up here. But it's not that big of a deal. And boy, oh boy, after it came out of the broiler, it was fire. You just keep opening and checking it, like is it done? Just don't burn the skin, right? When you burn the skin, it's over. Or you burn most of the chicken, it's over. The meat is like this, it's so good. It's like this holy, I don't know, this picture that triggers memories of Swiss Chalet. It can taste the chicken, Jesus, the thigh meat was so juicy. It was just, the kind of feeling when you eat food, your eyes close, or you like, oh, and then you start like, you may furrow your eyebrow because it's so like, oh my god, you feel like this powerful shit, and that's like just what, like it doesn't take much effort, actually. Like the crazy part is is you don't need any sauce. I mean, it would seem almost superfluous here because the chicken is so freshly cooked. You don't. It's juicy enough. Now for the chicken breast though, maybe I think it needed something because it was a bit too dry. I don't like chicken breast usually, but the thigh meats, oh man, oh that was good. I don't know. Well, I can ask. I think that GPT explained it. Like when you have a whole chicken, you cook it like that. Something about the bones inside and the cartilage and the muscle and all that. When you cook it like that, fat or some kind of flavors get retained, yada yada yada. whatever it is, I always thought, man, you cook chicken slices, like those, cuts of thighs or breasts. It's just not the same. It's like, it's okay, but the whole chicken is like god tier. All right, it's not in the same category as those, pre-cut meats. And I don't know what it is. It's like when you put a bird, it looks like a human being, eh? Like look at the ass sticking there. I don't know. Look at it. It's like it's almost humanoid. It's a bit disgusting, but like it feel like you're devouring an animal. Like you're actually like that. I don't know. I feel like you're like a tiger devouring like a deer or something. Like it feels weirdly satisfying to tear apart the flesh of the bird and just eat like chunks of it. You know what I mean? Like, and oh man, this looks so appetizing, right? You don't need any sauces. Shit. And it's like it's so the instant pot makes it so that the bones come off so easily. Like you don't have to chew on anything. Like you take any kind of like a regular butter knife and just go through, blam, the meat just comes right off the bone. And that and that's why the instant pot is a must-have. If you try to cook this thing in an oven or whatever, I hate is it cooked inside? Is it cooked inside? The instant pot cooks everything for you. Like after 40 minutes of pressure cooking, the whole meat is cooked and juicy and plump. What's missing at that point is just the crispiness from the traditional cooking method, right? When in the oven. So you do the full cook first, and then stick it into the oven to get the browning. And it works perfectly fine. It may not be the real thing, whatever. Yeah, I don't care. This is so goddamn good, and it's like you don't need to waste your brain cells on it. Like it's a fire and forget mostly kind of a cooking method, Like you don't have to like baby it or like is it you just it's just fire and forget. That's the best part, is that it does not rob your cognitive bandwidth. It just requires you to plan in advance. You say, I want to eat chicken 3 hours later, and my God, it's good. And on an additional bonus, and this is true for every instant pot meat you cook, the water that's used to steam the whole pot, it becomes this amazing broth. And I got some fresh udon from the supermarket. It's so good. You just dump it into skillet. Just I usually use mirin. Was it mirin, soy sauce? The form is mirin, soy sauce. One more thing, I forgot. Jesus, why is it eluding me right now? Usually it's three things. I would say vinegar, but no, I don't put vinegar in that. Maybe just mirin and soy sauce this time. And the chicken broth, it has like the gelatin, This is what makes the chicken soup taste so good. See, this shit. Oh, the mouthfeel, the taste from it is so like, again, you close your eyes and go like, oh, that's so amazing. And the fresh udon noodles, they're so good. They do matter. I've had many Japanese housewives say, well, why buy fresh udon? Like, isn't frozen udon? It's not the same for me. I mean, some people are so picky about the rice, like the koshikari. I don't know if it's a difference or not. But for noodles, if you buy the fresh udon from the supermarket, it is absolutely different from. I could easily tell you the difference, taste test it. I mean, A/B blind. I'm pretty confident I could do it. It's just the texture is different and it absorbs the soup so well. So frozen udon, the problem with that one is I don't know why, it just tastes like, flour. It doesn't have. But this kind of udon is it blends with the soup much better. When I say this kind, I mean it's fresh. It was never frozen. It's really good. And I once tried to buy dried udon from Amazon. Ugh, I couldn't. I don't know. Maybe I'm picky about noodles. I just couldn't stand it. It was just weird. But Jesus, this soup in the udon is again. I may not have eaten that for a long time, so I forgot what. But the thing is you don't need many salts or strong oils or fat or additional fat. It's just it comes out tasting so good without additional condiments. That's what I love about this style of cooking. It's not exactly cheap because this clump of chicken, this whole chicken was about 1,000 yen, which is not that bad. It's $7, right? I mean, you pay 1,000 yen for a fucking what is it? A hamburger, and all that, right? So I mean, eating out. This is like oh, leagues better in terms of how delicious it tastes. You feel like an animal eating this animal. You feel like a primal. And then I finish all that. You just got nice coffee at the end. Oh my god! I mean, just oh, I don't know, man. I think like there's so much joy to be had with just buying a good piece of meat at a supermarket. You need an instant, but you gotta have an instant pot. I mean, I'll get anxious honestly. Without an instant pot, I'll feel really anxious. I need a pressure cooker because this is the only way I think you'll ever get to cook a big chunk of meat like this. It's so dense, right? The steam cooking goes right through the chicken. It just internally cooks everything like inside. There's no more worrying about is it raw? It'll not be raw. More likely you have a danger of overcooking it probably, and you get an amazing broth out of it. Just win 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 everywhere, and it's nutritious too. Steam cooking apparently preserves so much more of the nutrients. Like whenever I think meats, I never use a frying pan. Never. What a waste. If it's meat, I'm either gonna boil it like shabu shabu style if it's like very thinly cut. If it's a thick cut with bone, right into the pressure cooker every time. And fish too is pretty good, very good. Salmon, like fatty fish, really good in the pressure cooker. Only like 4 minutes, 5 minutes, and then again into the fish broiler to sear it or whatever. Get that